Hey children, how are you? Hope you all are fine. I'm Aditi Miss. Today I will say about Children's Day and the person whose birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. Happy Children's Day! Childhood is an enchanting vista, an endless fun, a joyful classroom, an experience, an era of imagination. This day is celebrated on different dates in different countries. Special about Children's Day. The United Nations UN Universal Children's Day, which was established in 1954, is celebrated on November 20 each year promote international togetherness and awareness among children worldwide. See, children are doing activities children are doing. See, they are giving flowers. This Children's Day on 14th November. Meaning of Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated to honor children globally, aiming at protecting them from working long hours in dangerous circumstances and allowing access to rightful education. In India, Children's Day is celebrated on 14 November on the birthday of the first Prime Minister of independent India. Children's Day quiz. Let's start. When we celebrate Children's Day? Its answer is November 14. Who is the first Prime Minister of India? Answer is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. On which date is Children's Day celebrated in internationally? It's November 20. Answer. When was Jawaharlal Nehru Prime Minister of India? Answer is 1947 to 1964. Next question. When was Jawaharlal Nehru born? Answer is 14 November 1889. Where was Jawaharlal Nehru born? It was Allahabad. When was Jawaharlal Nehru first elected Congress president? Its answer is 1929. Next question. When did Jawaharlal Nehru die? Answer is 27th May 1964. Who was the longest serving Prime Minister of India? Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. What is the name of autobiography of Jawaharlal Nehru? Answer is an autobiography. Name is book's name. When did Pandit Nehru got Bharat Ratna? Answer is 1955. Next question. Name the two important books written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer is Discovery of India and Glimpses of World History. Next question. How many times was Nehru nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize? Answer is 11 times. What is the name of the newspaper started by Jawaharlal Nehru? Answer is National Herald. Who was the first person to get Jawaharlal Nehru Award for International Understanding? Answer is Youth Hunt in 1965. Nehru wrote to whom a collection of letters called Letter from a Father to His Daughter? Answer is Indira Gandhi. Now we will know about Children's Day. Children's Day is observed on 14 November every year in India. It is celebrated to observe and spread awareness of children's rights, education, and care. 14 November is birth anniversary of our first PM, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was our first Prime Minister. Pandit Nehru used to love children a lot. He said that children are the future of any country. Universal Children's Day. Earlier it was celebrated as Universal Children's Day in India as per United Nations program. The concept of Universal Children's Day was the first given by an Indian diplomat V. K. Krishna Menon. He was the first person. Later, this concept was approved and accepted by UNO worldwide. After the death of Nehru in 1964, it was unanimously decided to celebrate his birthday as Children's Day. He is famous for his lifelong passion and work for the welfare, education, and development of children. Jawaharlal Nehru was fond of red roses, which always appeared on his jacket. Nehruji was popularly known as Chachaji by the kids as they loved him a lot. Nehruji was very concerned about the modern education of the youth, so they set up IITs and IIMs. You can see the picture of IIT and IIMs. On this day, all the educational institutes and offices in India organize various programs for kids. On this day, all the education institutes also and offices in India organize various programs for kids. You can see picture. In India, on this day, schools conduct quizzes, fairs, various competitions for the students. In India, on this day, schools conduct quizzes, fairs, various competitions for the students. Other nations also celebrate Children's Day on various dates. Turkey was the first country to celebrate it. Other nations also celebrate Children's Day on various dates. Turkey was the first country to celebrate it. This day reminds us to fulfill the aspirations, provide a safe and caring atmosphere to all kids. A good present will ensure a good future to the mankind, provide a safe and secure upbringing to all the children. Every child is a different kind of flower, and all together make this world a beautiful garden. There are some things that we cannot buy. One of such thing is our childhood. Enjoy the spirit of Children's Day. Children are natural Zen masters. Their world is brand new in each and every moment. Children must be taught how to think, not what to think. Kids go where there is excitement. They stay where there is love. We worry about what a child will become tomorrow. Yet we forget that he is someone today. The greatest gifts you can give your children are the roots of responsibility and the wings of independence. Do not educate children to be rich, educate them to be happy so that when they grow up they will know the value of things and not just the price. Every child is an artist. The problem is how to remain an artist once we grow up. Children are the world's most valuable resources and its best hope for the future. Happy Children's Day again. In 1954, Universal Children's Day was established by the UN General Assembly. Universal Children's Day is the day to celebrate and promote the welfare of children around the world. Universal Children's Day, 20th November. Each year, UNICEF also holds events worldwide to draw particular attention to children's rights. This day reminds us of the necessity of acting in favor of the well being of children in the whole wide world. Children's Day is also known as Children's Rights Day or the International Children's Rights Day. Some 43 million children around the globe are in need of help, according to the United Nations. By UNICEF, an appear for nearly US 3 billion to help children in humanitarian emergencies worldwide has been launched. According to the UN, 1 in 9 of the world's children live in a conflict zone. Good news for the little girls in the world is that the gender gap is closing in youth literacy rates. 30% of children leave primary school without learning how to read, write, and do simple arithmetic. According to UNICEF, every year millions of children around the world become victims of untold violence. Each year, 15 million girls are married as children and denied their right to health, education, and opportunity. Every year, there are an estimated 34,000 homicide other deaths in children under the age of 15. Child labor. According to UNICEF, there are an estimated 168 million children worldwide who are involved with child labor. According to UNICEF, 22,000 children die every day as a result of poverty. In some countries, children receive presents. In others, they take part in events and activities or are allowed a holiday from school. Children's Day is celebrated in many countries of the world but on different dates. It is also the day when the UN General Assembly adopted the Convention for Children's Rights in 1989. In 1959, the UN General Assembly accepted the Declaration of the Rights of the Child. The idea of a Universal Children's Day was suggested by Mr. V. K. Krishna Menon and it adopted by the UN General Assembly. Universal Children's Day visits many places around the world. It has been described by the United Nations as an important day with a serious message. On this special day, children get an opportunity to handle high profile roles in media, politics, and sports. So that awarenesses can be raised about the challenges faced by children. People share pictures of children involved in various activities on social media using the hashtag Universal Children's Day. Whether or not these problems are apparent when going through life, children in low economy sectors suffer from various financial and health problems and lack access to education or medical opportunities. Universal Children's Day reminds people not to ignore these issues and join the United Nations to take steps to eradicate them. Education and care is very necessary. Universal Children's Day is a large part of the work done by UNICEF, United Nations Children's Fund, which raises awareness about the welfare of children around the world. In 1954, it was decided that Universal Children's Day would be celebrated on 20th November each year. It marks the anniversary of the date when the Declaration and Convention on the Rights of Children was adopted by the United Nations General Assembly. Universal Children's Day. Universal Children's Day, it is celebrated on November 20th every year. It is 20th November. Universal Children's Day, it is celebrated worldwide. Universal Children's Day, on this day we remember the rights of a child rights. Universal Children's Day, what are the rights of a child? The right to a name. They should have their own identity. What are the rights of a child? The right to a family. The right to love. The right to health care. The right to an education. UNICEF and partners are calling on governments to adopt a 6-point plan to protect our child. Number 1. Ensure all children learn, including by closing the digital divide. Number 2. Guarantee access to health and nutrition services and make vaccines affordable. and available to every child. Number 3, support and protect the mental health of children and young people and bring an end to abuse, gender based violences, and neglect in childhood. Number 4, increase access to clean water, sanitation, and hygiene and address environmental degradations and climate changes. Number 5, reverse the rise in child poverty and ensure an inclusive recovery for all. Number 6, redouble efforts to protect and support children and their families living through conflict, disaster, and displacement. Turn the world blue. Landmark buildings around the world will light up blue on the day to show support for child rights. Children's Day is a day to celebrate children. It is an international celebration to promote child welfare. The day is celebrated on various dates in different countries. Children's Day was established in 1954. In Portugal, International Children's Day is on 1st June. This day calls people's attention to children's rights. Children have the right to life, to health, to education, and to play. Children also have the right to family life and to be protected from violence. They have the right to express their points of view. Enjoy your childhood while it lasts. Why we celebrate Children's Day? Children are like birds in a garden and should be cheerfully and lovingly nurtured, as they are the future of the nation and the citizen of tomorrow. Children's Day is celebrated in memory of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14 November 1889 in Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. Jawaharlal Nehru was son of Pandit Motilal Nehru, who was famous advocate, and his mother's name was Swarup Rani. Jawaharlal Nehru took a degree of law from Britain and became a barrister. Jawaharlal Nehru joined Mahatma Gandhi in the revolution of independence of India against Britishers. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India and Indira Gandhi was his daughter. Children's Day or Bal Divas is a day when students across schools enjoy various activities, participate in debates, and perform many extracurricular activities. It was for his special love towards children that he came to be known as Chacha, or the favorite uncle for the children of the country. On this day, chocolates and gifts are often distributed among children while school organizes different events. The objective of Children's Day is to promote international togetherness, awareness among children worldwide, and improving children's welfare. The children of today will make the India for tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine the future of the country. Now again is a quiz time. When is Children's Day celebrated in India every year? October 2, November 14, December 25 or January 12? Answer is B. November 14. Whose birthday is celebrated as Children's Day? Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru or Mahatma Gandhi? Answer is C. Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first dash of India. President, Prime Minister, Vice President or Deputy Prime Minister? Answer is B. Prime Minister of India. Jawaharlal Nehru was born in which year? 1885, 1886, 1888 or 1889? Answer is D. It's 1889. Name the father of Jawaharlal Nehru. It's Motilal Nehru, Gangadhar Nehru, Lakshmi Narayan Nehru or Shyamlal Nehru? Answer is A. Motilal Nehru. What is the name of the autobiography of Jawaharlal Nehru? Waiting for a Visa, Wings of Fire, Toward Freedom or My Truth? Answer is C. Toward Freedom. Jawaharlal Nehru is fondly known as Bapuji, Chachaji, Netaji or Guruji. Answer is B. Chachaji, Chacha Nehru. Where is the birthplace of Jawaharlal Nehru? It's Ahmedabad, New Delhi, Porbandar or Allahabad? Answer is D. Allahabad. Jawaharlal Nehru was awarded the Bharat Ratna in which year? 1952, 55, 56 or 62? Answer is B. It's 1955. Who was the wife of Jawaharlal Nehru? Is Shiva Kamu, Janurani, Kamala or Indira? Answer is C. It's Kamala Nehru. What was the age of Jawaharlal Nehru when he died? 74 years, 78 years, 80 years or 81 years? Answer is 74 years. Jawaharlal Nehru was the member of which political party? Bharatiya Janata Party, Janata Party, Indian National Congress or Communist Party of India? Answer is C. Indian National Congress. When Jawaharlal Nehru met Mahatma Gandhi? 1910, 16, 1932 or 47? Answer is B. It's 1916. Name the newspaper started by Jawaharlal Nehru. National Herald, Young India, Indian Opinion or Times of India? Answer is National Herald. Who was the daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru? It's Maneka Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi or Indira Gandhi? Answer is D. It's Indira Gandhi. What is the memorial name of Jawaharlal Nehru? Vijay Ghat, Karma Bhumi, Shantivan or Veer Bhumi? Answer is C. Is Shantivan. In which year Jawaharlal Nehru got married? It's 1914, 1916, 1918 or 1920? Answer is B. It's 1916. Which one of the following is not a book written by Jawaharlal Nehru? The Discovery of India, Glimpses of World History, My Truth, The Unity of India? Answer is My Truth. Name the mother of Jawaharlal Nehru. It's Swarup Rani, Indira Gandhi, Kamala Nehru, or Sitamma. Answer is Swarup Rani. When did Jawaharlal Nehru die? 17 April 1975, 30 January 1948, 14 November 1889, or 27 May 1964. It's D, 27 May 1964. Thank you, children. Bye bye.